Clients often ask me, can I get a lower rate if I book early? And yes, in principle, you can get a lower rate. However, it's important to understand that hotel rates are determined by the expected demand in those seasons. Give an example from a Kenyan perspective. July to October is generally an extremely busy season. What does that mean to you? Even if you book 2 years in advance, the rate is going to be generally a lot higher than booking a month, like May, for instance, which is generally very, very low. It's important to understand the seasons and the demand because sometimes, especially in Eastern Africa, seasons, the weather is good all year round, and so you do not necessarily have to pay a premium if you can travel in the lower seasons. So next time you're looking for a holiday, ask the hotel if they have a low season offer and what period that would be. See?